Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome to another episode of What Makes This Design Great. And I'm here with Matt with Top Knobs. And Top Knobs is a great company. I, in my construction business, use you guys all the time. So I'm delighted to showcase some of your new products that you have here. So one of them we're going to talk about, I actually saw the other day when I was here, and I immediately was drawn to it. So
Absolutely. Everyone is drawn to the Garrison collection, and you are not alone. We launched this collection last year. It was our most popular new product launch we've ever had in the history of Top Knobs, mainly because of the textured and knurled designs that we have on it. So as you walk around KBIS and you go to some of the plumbing and lighting booths, you'll see a lot of textured pieces is what's trending right now. So that's exactly what we did with this launch right here. Several different designs, several different ways you can play with the texture. It's just some nice, subtle ways to show some personality on your cabinets.
yeah, and then you do have the knurling here in the main part of it, but
Yeah.
then what got my attention was the side details. So if somebody's
Yeah.
like, I like this, but maybe don't want too much
Correct.
of
You
it.
can get the best of both worlds on that
Yes,
one.
and that's amazing. And the color options here, I love. This kind of gray tone is
Yes,
really beautiful.
we call that ash gray, the gunmetal tone. Absolutely.
That's beautiful. So if
Yes.
somebody wants something not so shiny or gold, or they don't want to go the stark black,
Yep.
that's a great
Yes,
option.
it's a great option. But what is the most popular option is the gold finish. The honey bronze is what we call it. It is by far our #1 finish in Top Knobs. We launched it about 8 years ago, and it is far and away our #1 finish, surpassing satin nickel, polished chrome, all that stuff. And as you walk around the kitchen and bath show, I'm sure you're going to see gold fixtures everywhere. It shows no signs of slowing down in this gold. And our gold is just, it doesn't match anybody specifically, but it's a really nice blend of whatever popular plumbing fixture you use. It'll work with it. So
A lot of my clients use that honey bronze,
It
so
is, yeah.
I'm well aware of how
Yeah,
popular it
yeah,
is.
yeah.
People love it.
So what's new at KBIS 2025 for Top Knobs is our Brockwell collection. This is the first time this collection is seeing the light of day here. The feedback on it, we're on day 3 of the show here, this interview, and the feedback on this collection has been amazing. So as people get longer lengths of their doors and drawers for cabinets, we've always had couples in our repertoire at Top Knobs, but we've never had the extended sizes that we're showing here. Back plates have been trending a lot lately. We added an oval back plate, and we've been getting a lot of requests for a globe-shaped knob as well. So kind of a round knob with a nice round pool to balance it out as well.
I love the ends of this, and my interior designer friend that's here with me, we spoke about this yesterday as well.
Yeah.
And I said, well, it's because it's a softer curves, because a lot of people these days I feel like are going for soft curves
Absolutely.
as opposed to maybe some stark
Yep.
edges. So
And
I
this
love it.
particular piece works really well on appliances. Every single one of these pieces is available in 12 and 18-inch for appliance pulls, multiple sizes throughout. Obviously, the popular honey bronze and black finish and the gunmetal ash gray are available throughout this collection as well. So the feedback on this has been great. We're really excited to get Brockwell going in 2025 at Top Knobs. And no, it was great to have you over here, Nadine.
Yeah, thank you so much for talking and highlighting these amazing products, and I will continue to use them in my business. We love it.
Love it.
Thank you so
Nadine.
much.
Appreciate the time.
Until then, stay tuned for the next episode.